Hello colleagues, let's discuss the landing of drones. The task is very simple. You have a platform about 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 meters, and you install 4 station beacons on the platform. And you want to land the drone, which is coming from the outside using RTK GPS, and the last 30 meters there is a handover between GPS to indoor GPS and autonomous landing. So it's very simple. You install their mobile beacon on the drone facing down. You install station super beacons facing up, effectively facing the center of the area from where the drone will be coming. And that's it. The only problem is their distance, the base, compared to the largest distance. We have a video about this, so it means that you can expect inaccuracy in XY on 30 meters and very precise Z. Upon coming closer to their landing, it will become a good triangle and you will have a very high accuracy XYZ. And when landing, there will be another problem with Z, because the triangle will be acute triangle with very precise XY and poor Z. In order to solve that, we have a special solution called precise Z. So effectively we have one 3D submap which will be providing you XY coordinates, and Z will be neglected. And there will be another submap which consists of beacon 3, 4, 6 and 5. And that 3D submap will provide you with Z coordinate. And then effectively we have precise XY from this submap and precise Z from this submap. So this Y configuration called precise Z configuration. But yes, it is doable. Yes, people use it, so enjoy it and use it.